Hello everyone and welcome. We are watching the first heat of the Manning Valley race day. I hope you all enjoy my racing video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race, and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. So I posted on my Instagram the new update to my karting career. Next year I will no longer be racing in tag restricted and will be moving up to the next level and racing tag 125 open. It's a risky move because in tag restricted I was top 3 at most the tracks I was racing at. Now moving to tag 125 open, I will be near the back trying to work my way up. It is a much more professional and faster class. You will notice in this first heat how much I struggle. Enjoy the race. If you watch the whole race, you, my friends, are a legend. As you can see, I struggled a lot. The first 2 laps my brakes were cold and not functioning properly. Not an excuse, but I do have to work on warming them up better. But you can see that the first half of the race, I was just driving the kart like a restricted driver, aggressive and sloppy, and it was just upsetting and unsettling the kart. I eventually started driving more professionally and controlling my steering, throttle and brakes. But this is my main challenge, getting out of the bad restricted driving habits. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you back here for the next race. Peace.